Have you ever watched a video and feel like you're right in the action? That's the power of sound design. Here are 3 popular sound effects you may not know about. First up, whoosh. Perfect for transitions and adding movement to your videos. Pro tip, layer the whooshes at different pitches for a more fuller effect. Next up is the impact or hit sound effect. This isn't just for action scenes, use it to underline key points or to punctuate a message. Lastly, we have the riser sound effect. This sound effect is mostly used to build tension and suspense, but it can also be used to heighten emotional impact, transitions, and to create anticipation. If you want to improve your edits, follow me for more tips.